In a Reeperbahn alley all alone, realize that there's nothing really written in stone. Oh no, reminisce and a reaper never seen our son. Spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone. Whoa, I've been down to the heat in this corridor, and oh, my eyes branded by the scenes of streetwise hustling upon the grass side, while the Magdalene's parked under carnival lights. So solitary I roam in the belly of the Reeperbahn all alone. Spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone, realize that there's nothing really written in stone. Oh no, reminisce and I'm reaping every seed I sow. Spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone. Whoa. My regards to the devil and the son of God, and all the other creatures in your cabaret. Our feet are saying I'll check it out today. Goodbye, but before I go, wander through the wonders of the Reeperbahn all alone. Spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone, realize that there's nothing really written in stone. Oh no, reminisce and I'm reaping every seed I sow. Spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone. Oh no, spend time in a Reeperbahn alley all alone, realize that there's nothing really written in stone. Oh no, reminisce and I'm reaping every seed I sow.